And here is our beef roast that we're going to be using to make some delicious deli roast beef. This is a top sirloin roast, I believe. You want something that has a little bit of fat content, but still a little on the leaner side. So first off, what we're going to do is get some rub on it. And today we are using Pit Boss Blackened Saskatchewan rub. And you just want to make sure that you get the good coating on this. Okay, just as simple as that. Next, we'll go and get the Traeger started up and get it out there. All right, the Traeger is ready to go. We've got it set to 225. And that is a good smoking temperature. We're just gonna put it right on, right in the middle like that. And we'll close it up. And we're gonna come back and check on it in about, let's say 15-20 minutes just to see what it looks like. Yeah, we're looking for an internal temperature of about 150. And then we'll pull it off and see how it looks at that point. All right, we're a half hour in. Here's what it looks like. We're nowhere near being done, but you can already see the outside bark is starting to form up. As I said before, I'm just gonna close this. We're gonna go to 150 internal temperature for well done. We're gonna slice it up afterwards to make some delicious deli roast beef. We're about an hour and a half in, and the Inkbird is showing us at 99. Oh, let's get the light away from there. 99 degrees internal temperature. Like I said, we're gonna take it up to 150. Take a quick look at it. There she is. There, the crust is starting to form really nicely on there. Once we get it up to temp, then we're going to take it inside. We're gonna wrap it in some plastic wrap and put it in the fridge overnight, slice it in the morning. When it's cold, it's a lot easier to slice, so that's what we're gonna do. And probably got another hour and a half to go. All right, we have hit 150 internal temperature on the beef. There's how she looks. So we're gonna pull the probe out, take it inside. We're gonna wrap it up in some plastic wrap for tonight, put it in the fridge, come back to it tomorrow, and we will slice it up. And here is all the roast beef. Look at that. That looks fantastic. It's all sliced up, nice and thin, and this is going to make some awesome sandwiches. I'm not gonna try a piece right now because I have been munching on little pieces off camera for the last couple of minutes, and I can tell you that it is peppery. It is a little bit salty. There's a little bit of a smoky flavor in there. You can see the smoke ring on all the pieces. These turn out fantastic. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button. Don't forget to share with your friends. Leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.